The Candaba Marsh has been included as an important bird area with IBA code PH007. It is one of the 6 priority wetland IBAs in Luzon for the protection of congregatory water birds and threatened species. Among the congregatory water birds found in the marsh are great egrets, Eurasian wigeons, garganets, northern pintails, wandering whistling ducks, northern shovelers, common pochards, tufted ducks, and purple swamp hens. The threatened species include streaked-reed warblers, bears, pochards, Philippine mallards, and spot-billed pelicans. Candaba Marsh is a potential Ramsar site. Ramsar is a common term that refers to the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, especially as waterfowl habitat. The Ramsar Convention was adopted in Ramsar, Iran in 1975 to globally promote international cooperation for the conservation of wetlands. The marsh is also a potential site for the Philippine government's National Integrated Protected Area System, or NIPAS. At present, however, the Candaba Marsh is not a protected area either under Ramsar or NIPAS. But in 2004, the local government of Candaba, Pampanga, declared the entire Candaba town a bird sanctuary. Hunting and poaching of all kinds of wild birds in Candaba Marsh is now banned. In 2005, the Pampanga mayors made illegal the hunting and venting of migratory and rare birds and wildlife in the province. Candaba Mayor Jerry Pelayo has also set aside the 70-hectare Candaba Swamp and Wildlife Reserve in the middle of the marsh. The reserve allowed the natural rehabilitation of ponds. Wild birds now find sanctuary, food, and natural habitat in the area. The Candaba Swamp and Wildlife Reserve is fast becoming a favorite spot for local and visiting birders and naturalists. The reserve is so close to Metro Manila, and it offers the chance to see birds in the wild in amazingly huge numbers. The presence of numerous birds is considered to be a good indicator of the overall biological diversity of an area. Birds help in eliminating destructive insects and pests. Birds also spread seeds of plants and trees. Migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers every year in order to survive winter and the scarcity of food in their areas. Only the strong and healthy migratory birds survive the long and continuous flights across vast lands and waters. The waters surrounding the Philippines somehow help in making it free from bird flu or avian influenza. Let us stop hunting, stop vending, stop buying wild birds and other wildlife, and help preserve their natural habitats. Let us protect and conserve wildlife and the environment, not just for us, but for our children and the future generations.
Sino o sino lang ang may likha ng ating sanlibutan? Diyos lang o Diyos lang ang kalika, tagapaglikha ng kapaligiran, ng kapaligiran. Sino o sino lang pinili niyang mag-alaga ng sanlibutan. Tayo, tayo lang ang kalipa ng ating kalikasan. Kalikasan. Ang Diyos sa siyang lumikha, Bismillah, purihin ka. Ibong lumipad na, maging malaya, mapayapa, o kay ganda. Sino lang ang may likha ng ating sanlibutan? Diyos lang, Diyos lang ang kalika, tagapaglikha ng kapaligiran, ng kapaligiran. Ang Diyos sa siyang lumikha, Bismillah, purihin ka. Ibong lumipad na, maging malaya, mapayapa, o kay ganda.